on, guys? Welcome back to SteadyRollin'Garage. Popping out of the garage today, and I gotta go through some trash. That's why the truck's warming up right here. But we're probably gonna have some crab boil today, and I did call the boys over. Jeremy got some new wheels, so we're gonna slap those on and make another video for you guys. Let's get to it. All right, guys, there we go. Check it out, guys. Back at the OG garage. This is probably the literal last time this truck will ever be seen warming up here. So I just wanted to get a little B-roll shot real quick, just kind of show it off. Last time in this parking lot. Officially gonna be our last couple days to finalize this, and we'll be out of here. All right, guys, let's probably go get something to drink. Check it out, guys. That's my old neighbor Lori right there. She's infamous for hitting this garage literally right next to mine. And she always clips the wall, and her husband always bangs into the garage door with the front of this truck. So I'm kind of glad that we're out of this garage, because I really don't want to risk every day my truck getting accidentally clipped by that truck. Like I said, guys, let's go stop somewhere, get a drink, stay hydrated, probably get a drink from my girl, and head back to the house. See you guys when we get there. All right, guys, secured the bag, literally. Oh. All right, guys, well, back here at the garage, but check it out. Put up some of these banners. If you guys didn't already get the picture, we're from Guam, so obviously we have like a whole bunch of like Guam stuff. Got my no weenies allowed freaking banner up again. Warming up my girl's car real quick. As I said earlier, we're gonna eat some crawfish, or some crab boil, not crawfish boil. But we have to go pick that up. We placed the order, warming up the car right now. I just wanted to show off a little bit of some of the work I did in the past couple of days. This is badass. If you guys are from Guam, you're gonna know where that's from. That's pretty much it. If you've never been in an Asian household, obviously everybody's slippery just gonna be freaking piled out here. Probably get a little bit of skate content. I haven't freaking broke this thing out in such a long time. If you guys are curious, and you guys wonder how I'm filming some of my steady B-roll shots, it's this thing right here. This thing freaking cruises around super smooth. There's no wobble in the camera, and I mean, obviously when I'm turning and stuff, but you can see we're cruising around the whole, oh damn, I'm blocking the camera. Cruising around the whole garage. Look who that is. Oh shit. I was just showing the viewers the garage, and I was showing them my skateboard that I used to film the thing. Well, we'll check back in with you guys when everybody shows up and everything's popping. It's kind of boring right now until we pick everything up. Check back in with you guys in a little bit. Look at this. Say hi. Oh, okay, thanks.
Hi, bitches.
What's Daniel doing? You getting in on him? You getting in on him, Daniel? Oh shit, part 2. Steaming. Good job. Good job. What about me? Good job. Waiting for Samuel so we can use this. So we're outside now. Jeremy's here. Naisha's moving his car. Whole driveway's packed, and we're just waiting for Samuel. We're about to grill up some of these oysters and probably get some of these mussels done.
There you go. There's the one right here. Chibi. Yes,
Jamming. Oh, everything's all red because my freaking pop-up is red. Shout out to my cousin Rose because I just stole this from her. Yeah, that's it. Get to grilling. All right. We got some of the mussels on. Gotta throw these on too. The reveal. New wheels for Jeremy's truck. Clean, huh? Right? Clean. Fuck yeah. Jeremy's gonna start with one side and then probably go around, make sure to torque everything. Get it looking right. Hell yeah. Is it loose already, Ben? On the impact? yeah.
But when I was working at Love's, burning that bitch up. I bet you that race was completely fucked up too.
Yeah. The one from the stack. And bring one center cap. Yeah. Are you excited how they're gonna look?
It's got the tires mounted this
I'm not
morning.
gonna lie, I got lucky on that one.
Fuck yeah, I couldn't even sleep last night.
My boss.
Fuck yeah. Backside. Sheesh. Not bad.
So those are just stay on once the wheels on?
Yeah. Almost. Up higher and turn a little. See. Nice. The preview. Fucking A. Dun dun dun. Are you ready for the reveal?
Yes, sir.
Wow. We still need to put the pop-up tent down and shit. Sammy's gonna touch up the tires, you know, get them fresh looking. Shit's clean. How you like them, Brim?
Fucking chair. It's fucking good.
Alright, sick. Now let's fucking, we'll probably put this down. Let's go drink some beers, dog. Yeah. Ooh.
Ouch. Ouch. Ow.
Ooh. We're trying to redeem ourselves. T beat Jeremy. She beat Nate 2 times.
Wait.
And she beat me 2. Technical difficulties. Now it's Jeremy and T. 1 up. And she just beat Nate. I guess I'm next on the chopping block. How you feeling, Jeremy? Confident?
Not good.
Oh, nice. How you feeling? Confident? Nice.
I'm gonna lose over here. Losing side right here.
That barbecue, that stinky pussy, you know what I say? Hey, stop laughing, it's true though, yeah.
I'm sure he was like, they look like you were scared to do the movie earlier. Yeah, because it's recording the finger when you're seeing us going. I didn't want to make a mess, right? Oh, but even if it's a lot, it's not
Oh,
scared.
wow.
Yeah, you eat it.
Wow. What is that?
See?
Oh my god. Look at that bubble.
And she's so crazy.
Wow. Where's your daddy?
She finally
Did he get locked outside? What's that, motherfucker? Steady Gay Garage.
I'm sorry. Honestly, that was moving a lot. You feel it, but
Where's your daddy?
How you feel about the wheels, Frim?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the fitment is nice. The thing looks fucking badass. Probably get another shot of it when it's daylight out or something like that. Probably close it out.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Later in the future. For now, I'm just fucking.
Hello.
Hello.
Probably close it up right here.
That's all.
SteadyRollin'Garage. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Yes, sir.